everyone. Today I'll be making buffalo chicken wings in the air fryer. So what you want to do is get your chicken wings, put them in the air fryer, and then you want to put them in here at 360 degrees for 15 minutes and add salt on them. So that's the first. Now we're going to be making our sauce. So first you want to put your buffalo sauce. You can just eye measure it, and then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and then however much garlic you would like. Alright, now that our chicken wings are done, we can put them into our bowl. Okay? And then we get, let me get a glove. And then we get our sauce. We get our sauce and pour it, hold on, and pour it on our wings. All of it, right? Okay, all of our sauce. And then you wait for it to cool down, and then you can eat them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.